Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Ninja blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. This Ninja professional blender justifies its name since you can use it both domestically and commercially. The construction is durable, and the manufacturer used BPA-free materials. Many components are safe to use in a dishwasher. The device has a small footprint, but it is 17 inches tall. That will make it tricky to fit if there is little space between counters and cabinets. The product includes 2 cups with a generous 16-ounce capacity. The total capacity of the pitcher is 64 ounces, and you can use it for both fresh and frozen drinks. The appliance won't start unless you connected everything properly, which is important for the user's safety. The motor has a generous 1100 W of power, and 6 blades capable of crushing and blending various ingredients. You can pick between 3 speeds and multiple functions, such as single serve and pulse. The pour spout on the pitcher makes pouring convenient. However, the square canister is tricky to clean. Due to its shape, tiny pieces of fruits can get stuck in the corners. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. Our next Ninja blender model is an entire kitchen system. Whether you need a blender or food processor, this unit is a smart choice. The manufacturer picked high-quality materials that are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. The base is stable and sturdy, and you get various components of exceptional quality. The only thing missing is a storage container. You will get a pitcher with a generous capacity, bowl for processing food, and 2 cups with lids that are suitable for taking with you. No ingredient is a match for the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. It can make juices, smoothies, but also dips and sauces. This 1500 W model allows you to pick between 3 speeds, and its pitcher has an 8-cup capacity. Thanks to the efficient blades and reliable performance, you can mix any dough in the processor quickly. The product is both fast and reliable, and it will deliver consistent results whenever operating. It might be a bit inconvenient that the cord is not retractable, so it is a bit tricky to store it when not in operation. At number 3, we have the Ninja Connecticut 661V Blenders-Countertop. If you are looking for the best Ninja blender for the money, you can't go wrong with this unit. The first thing you notice is the modern design and the dominating black color that suits any decor. You get all the components you need, including a generous capacity pitcher and a 20-ounce single-serve cup. The package also includes the fresh vac pump, which draws the oxygen from the cup before blending. Thanks to that, the products retain more vitamins and nutrients. The blender features a touchscreen display on the front. Like all other components, it is of great quality, and it should last for a long time. The controls are easy to use since the buttons indicate the functions. Although it might have a learning curve, as soon as you use it a couple of times, you will get the hang of it. Thanks to the Auto IQ feature, you have 7 preset programs available. Most of the components are dishwasher safe. At number 2, we have the Nutri Ninja Blender. Let's talk about the advantage of oxygen-free blending secured by this blender. Before you start the unit, you use the fresh vac pump to remove the oxygen. That way, you will preserve a rich taste and smooth texture. You also keep more nutrients in the foods, which means the smoothies will be as healthy as they get. Thanks to the 1100 W motor, Nutri Ninja is both fast and powerful. It is capable of breaking down whole foods, seeds, and ice. You can pour the juice into a cup that comes with a lid. That makes it suitable to use when you are outside. However, the cleaning process is a bit tricky, but the good news is that some components are dishwasher safe. The Auto IQ feature is intelligent, and it comes with programs that combine patterns that will make the perfect juice every time. The blender has a small footprint, but the product itself is quite tall. That makes it tricky to place unless you secure a lot of space between counters and cabinets. And finally at number 1, we have the Ninja Blender 843 blender. If you are looking for the best modern Ninja blender for juicing, this black unit is perfect for your needs. The black color dominating the design makes it suitable for any decor. The product's footprint is small, although the appliance is tall when you mount the pitcher. Apart from the pitcher, you will get a food processor bowl. The product comes with 12 smart programs that ensure ultimate versatility. The touchscreen controls are on the front, and they are very intuitive. Additionally, the text next to each button describes its purpose. Once you activate the product, you will see that it's capable of handling whole foods, ice, fruits, veggies, and even seeds. You can feel free to take a look at the recipe book provided, although it is not that useful. However, feel free to get creative and mix your formula. Since the blender has a powerful 1200W motor, it can be a bit noisy. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.